Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious potato soup. First, select about 2 pounds of starchy potatoes like russets for the best texture. You'll also need 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, and half a cup of finely chopped onion. Ensure all your ingredients are fresh for optimal flavor. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparation to serving, ensuring a comforting meal. Now, let's get those ingredients ready. Start by peeling and dicing about 2 pounds of potatoes into uniform half-inch cubes. This ensures even cooking. Next, finely chop half a cup of onion and 2 stalks of celery. These aromatics will build a wonderful flavor base for your soup. Have your 4 cups of broth and 1 cup of heavy cream measured out and ready to go. Preparation is key to a smooth cooking process. Time to start cooking. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and celery, sautéing them until they are softened and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add the diced potatoes and 4 cups of broth to the pot. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the potatoes are fork tender, typically around 15 minutes. This creates a rich base. Almost there. Once the potatoes are tender, use a potato masher to gently mash about 1/3 of them directly in the pot. This helps thicken the soup naturally. Now, slowly stir in 1 cup of heavy cream until it's fully incorporated and the soup is creamy. Taste and adjust your seasonings with salt and pepper and garnish with fresh chives. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade potato soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.